Adenium plants are the perfect one for beginners. Adeniums are also known as desert rose. Adeniums can be grown both indoors as well as outdoors. They are one kind of succulent plants. They are known for their attractive flowers and trunks. We can divide adeniums mainly into two types, Adenium Obesum and Adenium Arabicum. In this video, we will discuss about Adenium Obesum only. We will discuss 5 things in this video. Number 1. How to prepare soil for adenium. Number 2. How to plant an adenium plant in a pot. Number 3. Where to place adenium plants. Number 4. How to give water to adenium plants. And number 5. Updates after 15 days. So, stay tuned till the end of the video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and leave a comment and like it. Let's start the soil preparation for adenium plants. To prepare soil for adenium, we have to take 50% compost and 50% river sand. Being a succulent, adenium loves well-drained soil. To prepare soil mix, we have to mix the compost and the sand well. And we also need to add some fungicide powder so that the roots are safe from fungus attack. So we will add some fungicide powder into this soil mixture. And we have to mix them well. So let's mix the compost and sand along with the fungicide powder very well and prepare the soil mixture for the adenium plants. Sand will make this soil mixture porous and this will help to develop the root easily, and also it will help to drain out the excess water easily. Adenium requires less water, so we have to prepare the soil in such a way that water will drain out from the pots easily. So we have to mix the soil mixture very well. Adeniums are deciduous plants. All of its leaves falls during winter when it gets in dormancy. Adeniums can be grown up to 4 to 6 meter height. Now let's plant adenium plants in pots. We have to take pot which have sufficient drainage hole. We have to cover the holes using broken pieces of earthen pots so that soil do not get out of this pot through these holes. And we have to fill half of the pot using this soil mix. Then we have to place the plant into this mixture. These plants I have bought from online. You can see the unboxing video link given in the I button and in the description. So let's plant this plant. We have to place it in the middle of the pot and we have to fill the rest of the pot with the soil mixture and gently press it around the plant. In this way, we have to plant adenium plants in a pot. It has completed. You can see. Now let's plant another plants in the same way into these pots. Adenium loves full and bright sunlight. Therefore, we have to place adenium plants into a place where it gets more than 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. We have planted all the plants into the pots. Now we have to give them water thoroughly. To give them water, we have to prepare a mixture of water and fungicide powder. This solution will help the plants to protect from fungus attack. We have to give water to the plants thoroughly so that excess water drain out from the drainage holes, and it will also help to fill the air pockets. These 16 plants I have bought recently from online. We have to keep these plants into shade for 2 to 3 days, and after that we have to put them into a place where it gets morning sunlight for 2 to 3 hours, and after 1 week we have to put them in a place where it will get 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Adenium loves sunlight and it helps them to get flower. These are my old adenium collection. I bought them in last year, these 4 plants, and there are 2 plants which I had bought 2 years ago. We have to prune the adenium plant, and from their cuttings I have grown these plants. And this one is the oldest adenium plant I have, and there is another one, and this one. These two plants I bought 2 years ago. Updates after 15 days. You can see the condition of the plant is very well. There is one bud has come, and you can see new leaves has grown. These are the 16 plants that I have bought recently, and you can see all of the 16 plants are growing well, and you can see new leaves are growing. All of them have started growing very well. They are responding to this weather and the soil. These are the old plants. They are also looking nice. New leaves are growing. You can see new leaves are growing from the cuttings too. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe it and like it, share it among your friends, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video.